Friends, welcome back to my another video. So in this video we are going to learn how we can download Python. So first of all we have to head to our Chrome browser or any other browser which you use. We have to search for Python and we have to open this website latest version. It will be shown here as I'm on my Mac OS, so it is suggesting me to download this Python 3.13.2. So I will download this one. As you can see here, download has been started and also completed. So we'll head to another tab and we'll search for PyCharm. We'll get the PyCharm from this website. So we'll click on this link. You can click or else here also. So after clicking here, it is showing the option for Intel. If I click here, there is an option for Apple Silicon. You can also download it according to your choice as per your device. I'm using Apple, so I will click here and you can see the download has been started. It is around 1 GB. Here we have downloaded both the packages, so we'll just extract it. We have to go to Finder where we have downloaded these two packages. So we'll first bring it to desktop and then one by one we'll just double click on these. So here PyCharm to be transferred to the applications. After doing this, it will process and it will bring it to the application. So here we have got the application, so let's search for PyCharm. So here as you can see, PyCharm has been installed. So we'll just put it aside and we'll bring it. Now we will open this by double clicking on it and we will see some agreement introduction. Then there is a page for readme, then license. I agree the license, then installation type. After clicking on installation, it will ask for the password. So you have to give the password of the device. So you can see here under the Python 3.13 we have got all these files. So as it has been downloaded, so let's locate. So here it is, idle. We'll just click on it. We'll do allow. And here is the cell. So you can use this cell for anything, just like 5 plus 6 equal to like that 11, and then we can use as variable if a equal to 4 and b equal to 69. So what will be the value of a plus b? Okay, so here is 74. So we can use like this for any mathematical operation or statement, if else conditional programs. Let's head to PyCharm. As you can see here, we have got the PyCharm. We'll just open the PyCharm. We'll click on open. we have to click here, I confirm, then continue. Then you have to click on don't send. Then as you can see here, I'm using Mac OS, so it is asking for some premium. So there is an option for 30 days trial and there is an active license. If I click on active license, I have to purchase the subscription and I will get a license from there, and I have to paste here. So by both these methods, we are going to pay to use it. But in case of Windows, it will not ask for payment. You can just use it for free. So here is the tutorial for downloading PyCharm and Python IDE. So thanks for watching. Bye.